Next at 9:30, when a person is having a mental health crisis, there is now a number that they can call that gets them help immediately. That number has already helped thousands of people in Oklahoma in the last 4 months. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Tatum Gwynn.
And I'm Jonathan Cooper. People working at the 988 call center have answered more than 10,000 crisis calls and 2,000 text messages. They've even sent people out to help in person 550 times. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers tells us more about the calls they get. Ashlyn?
Jonathan and Tatum, people who need help are more likely to ask for it if it's fast and easy. And that's why the folks in charge of the 988 crisis line believe it's saving lives.
Help is just a phone call away, and you'll get a friendly voice on the other end, ready to listen.
So if it's 2 in the morning and you want to talk for 2 hours, we can do that.
They say they answer the calls in an average of 11 seconds, and most people who call are having thoughts of hurting themselves. Others are calling because they need to find a place to get care, or they're depressed. They've also answered calls related to things like social concerns, anxiety, psychosis, substance abuse, housing problems, and domestic violence. Most people call from Oklahoma City and Tulsa, then followed by smaller towns. And more than 90% of the time, the call can be handled over the phone.
You have trained staff who are able to de-escalate, problem solve, and set up ongoing care for an individual.
Some people who call for help actually require someone to come to them in person.
And then we'll facilitate making sure they get there.
They say the one thing that all callers need is hope.
This is a part of being able to keep people's brains healthy, get their brains healthy, just like we think about our bodies, so that we can be productive citizens of society.
The center tends to be busier during the day and evenings and not as busy in the middle of the night. If they don't answer quick enough, the call rolls over to the national line. Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.